to enable Reading Pane in Gmail.
In Gmail, when you open an email to read its content, it opens in the same window. If you want to check another email, you have to click the back button first and then open the next message. This process can be inconvenient and time-consuming, especially if you read a lot of emails regularly. To fix this and save time, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Next, go to the Inbox tab in the menu bar. Scroll down to find the Reading Pane section and make sure it is enabled. Then, under Reading Pane position, select Right of Inbox. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will automatically reload and the Reading Pane will be enabled, allowing you to view emails without going back each time. Now your Gmail screen will be divided into two sections. Click on any email to view its content, and it will appear on the right side of the screen. If you select another email, it will open in the same preview pane without taking you back. Isn't that amazing and time-saving? There's also a quicker way to enable this setting if the previous method feels too long. Click on the gear icon at the top and scroll down to the Reading Pane section. You'll see three options: No Split, which keeps Gmail in its default single window view; Right of Inbox, which splits the screen and shows email content on the right side; and Below Inbox, which splits the screen and displays email content below the inbox. Simply select the option you prefer, and that's it.